SaaS-based people analytics startup Infido has developed an employee experience bot called Amber that helps leadership find hidden gaps in their culture, management, and remote employee experience. The startup has also just raised $3.2 million from Blink Capital and has also delivered partial exits worth $1.1 million to early investors and ex-employees. Joining us right now is the founder and CEO, Tanmaya Jain. Tanmaya, welcome on the show. You know, this is clearly an oversubscribed round, and you had also earlier in August raised another round, so a lot of investor interest. So take us through your investment journey. We understand there were quite a few challenges along the way.
So March 2017, we finally found Dheeraj Jain, who is the MD of Redcliffe Capital, and he invested $100,000. Using that, we've reached $1.6 million over a couple of years. Fast forward to January 2020. And earlier this year, we tried to raise $3 million. Frankly speaking, I made every mistake in the book. I learned that FOMO is this technique, fear of missing out, which is used with investors. I overdid it, couldn't raise in January. February, I finally got a $3 million term sheet. I was so confident. I took off to Vipassana for a 10-day silent retreat. I came back. The world was hit by pandemic. Our term sheet evaporated overnight. And of course, the next 3 months were just hell, to be honest. And that's when Y Combinator happened. Finally, we got this email, the CEO came on board, and Y Combinator changed our life completely.
Right.
And Demo Day happened. Demo Day, 2,000 investors came on board. And the final moment was we met Ben, and within 13 days, something I couldn't do in 4 years, within 13 days, our entire round closed. And it closed with such high subscriptions. I actually decided to give exits so early, partial exits, because that's the kind of culture we want to sort of bring at Infido.
No, that is really great to hear, and quite a story there, Tanmaya. Really interesting. And coming to your product now, in fact, during the pandemic, you know, it must have definitely been particularly useful for employers as they were dealing with this remote work situation, as employees were working from home. Tell us about some of the trends that you saw on your platform.
So the most interesting trend is how people were behaving during the buyer journey as well, right? Because suddenly, you know, in the past, we used to struggle with making sure CEOs prioritize employees and prioritize employee feelings, experience, engagement over and above performance. Suddenly, after the pandemic, everyone wants to prioritize feelings. So that's the biggest trend we've seen so far, that suddenly it's a high priority, which is why we've been able to get so much traction. But the vision we have basis these trends is very interesting, right? Because for the longest time, we've understood that employees hate their Monday mornings. So many of us hate our Monday mornings. It's difficult to get up in the morning. So what do you really do to solve this problem? So we wanted to create a company, a product. If you notice Amber in my background, like Amber has a soul to it, and now raise a round to add depth to that soul. And what that essentially means is, number one, hire a leadership, which is hiring a leadership in the space of marketing, engineering, product. Number two, make sure we go deep with our AI. So there's a technology called GPT-3 we want to use. And number three, in the final one, we want to add languages, right? So that we can scale across the globe, starting with APAC, all the way up to $10 million in ARR. And our idea is to make sure that we scale this up till a point where millions of employees have a friend called Amber that they can confide in.
Okay, a friend called Amber. With interesting journey there. Thank you so much for joining us, Tanmaya.